In this video, you'll learn how to add user authentication on Base44. This process involves several steps to ensure your application is secure and user-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated user authentication into your project. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Base44 URL to access the platform. Once the page loads, you should see various options related to building applications with AI. This is the starting point for your user authentication setup. Next, locate the button labeled, "What will you build today?" and click on it. This action will direct you to a new screen where you can start defining your app's purpose. After clicking, wait for the interface to update and ensure you are on the correct page before proceeding. After that, find the section that says describe your app idea below or get inspired by our templates and click on it. This is where you will describe your application. Allow a moment for the page to load, confirming that you are in the correct location to continue your project. Continue by clicking on the recent apps option. This will bring up a list of your previous created applications. Once the list appears, verify that you can see your projects, as this will be necessary for the next steps. At this point, select a project from your list. Click on the project you wish to add user authentication to. After clicking, the screen will refresh to display the project editor, indicating that you are ready to add new functionalities. Now, locate the prompt area where you can enter commands. Type in add user authentication into the prompt. After typing, ensure you review your entry for accuracy. This command is crucial for the next phase of your setup. Once you have entered the command, click on Enter to execute it. This action will trigger the system to process your request. Wait for a confirmation notification to appear, indicating that your command has been accepted. After receiving the confirmation, close the notification by clicking on the designated close button. This will remove the notification from your view, allowing you to focus on the next steps in the process. At this stage, Base44 will begin generating your request for user authentication. You may observe a loading indicator or a progress message during this phase. It's important to wait until the system has completed this action before moving forward. Finally, click on the prompt to add more functionalities if desired. This step allows you to enhance your application further. Ensure that you take your time to explore additional options that may benefit your project. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.